In the last video, we have talked about how to create hierarchies, and in this video, we will try to calculate percentage over categories. So, for example, we have in Australia, we have different occupation, and each occupation has some gender. So, I need to know the percentage of female and male. So, how we will calculate? We will add female and male together, and then we will divide female over the total sum of male and female, and in the same way we will try to get the percentage over occupation and the percentage over country, and then we will get the total percentage. So for this we need to write one measure here, and this is percentage over hierarchies. For this we have to use variables. This is the current sale, and it will be total sale measure, and then we will return this variable, that is current sale. So then we just need to drag and drop. So we need to know that the value of this newly created measure, percentage of sale. So here you can see we are getting the same values as we are getting the total sale. So let's modify this measure, and now we need to write one more variable, gender sale, and it will be calculate. So the expression will be total sale, and we need to get the total sale for the gender. So it will be all, and then we have to use gender, and then we can write here gender sale, hit enter, and let's have a look what is the effect. Like Australia and clerical, and here you can see if we add 12 plus 7, then it will be 20. So 20 is being repeated here and here because the calculator has modified the filter context that is coming from the female and male, and we will do the same for the occupation and country. So let's enhance it further. Variable occupation sale, and it will be calculate all selected, and here we have to provide occupation, variable country sale, and then we need calculate grand sale. It will be again total sale, and now we don't need to specify anything, just all selected. Then we need to close, so that we should get the grand total of everything. We have to use here a very important function, that is Isinscope. It checks the column level in the hierarchy if it is active or not. If it is active, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So we have to check, we have here the country column, and then we have the occupation column, and then the gender column. So we have to check 3 columns individually, so that we can calculate the percentage over categories properly. So we have to write here one more variable, like variable like result is equal to, and then we have to use here if condition, if is in scope. So if in scope returns true when the specified column is the level in a hierarchy of levels. So we have to check is in scope, for example gender, If this is the active column in the hierarchy, then we have to divide total sale or the current value, current sale divided by gender sale. And if so we have to write here result. So let's have a look what is the effect of this change. So here you can see we are not getting anything here, it's empty because we haven't defined country and occupation in the formula. So only the female and male are working. So this is 37% and this is 63%. So we need to format this percentage. So here you can see 37.40 and 62% 60. So in the same way we will do the rest. In the else part we will write if is in scope, and then we have to check occupation, then we have to divide current sale divided by occupation. Current sale divided by country sale. In the else part we will divide current sale divided by grand total, grand sale. So that's it. So this is the complete formula that we are checking for every column. We are checking by using Isinscope function if the column is active in the hierarchy level or not. So here you can see it is working on the gender level, is fine, perfectly fine. And if you look at occupation level, like in under Australia, we have these occupation, clerical, management, and some other. And if we sum up these all, so it all together will be 100%. And in the same way, if we look at the country level, so here you can see all are getting 100%. So we have a blank here. Some countries, some hierarchies doesn't have any country, so that's why it is blank. So we can fix it. Just go to the country and click on the advanced filtering, and here we can write is not blank. The country should not be blank. Click apply, and then here you can see we are getting no blank and everything is working properly. So this is how we can use Isinscope and hierarchy stuff in Power BI.